In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT slow responses. We'll go through two quick things that often resolve lag: signing out and back in, and clearing your browser's data. I'll guide you step by step so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type ChatGPT. This is just a quick way to get to the official site if you don't already have it bookmarked. From the results, click the official ChatGPT website so you're on the main interface. First, let's refresh your session, because a stuck or expired session can slow things down. Look to the lower left corner of the ChatGPT page and click your profile. In the menu that appears, choose Log Out. When the confirmation prompt shows up, click Log Out again to confirm. This clears your current session and can resolve issues caused by cached credentials or temporary glitches. Once you're signed out, log back in. On the sign-in screen, select your ChatGPT account and complete the login. This may take a moment, so be patient while it loads. After you're back in, test a prompt to see if responses feel snappier. If things are still slow, move on to the next fix. Now we'll clear the browser data, which removes accumulated cache and cookies that can interfere with web apps like ChatGPT. In your browser, click the three dots in the upper right corner to open the main menu. Choose Settings. In the Settings page, go to Privacy and Security. Find the option to delete or clear browsing data and open it. For the time range, select All Time so you fully reset cached files and site data related to ChatGPT. Then click Delete Data to confirm. A quick heads up: clearing browsing data will sign you out of most websites and can remove site preferences. Make sure you know your logins or have them saved before you proceed. The benefit is that a clean cache often fixes slow loading, repeated errors, and incomplete page scripts. When that's done, return to the ChatGPT website and sign in again. Try another prompt and watch the response speed. These two actions, refreshing your session and clearing your browser data, address the most common causes of slow replies. If performance still varies, it can sometimes be due to general internet connectivity or temporary high traffic, but the steps you've taken usually make a noticeable difference. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you get faster, smoother ChatGPT responses.